Hi, fourth grade, Miss B here. I hope you guys are having a good week. Today we're going to do some double digit multiplication. So this is going to be the old school way. So I'm going to show you really quick how to do 92 times 43. So in old school, you always start in the ones place first and make them touch. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 9 is 27. So if there was another number up there, we would carry it. But since there's no more, we're going to put 27 down. Now we have to do the most important part with old school, and that is putting a 0 in our ones place because now we are done with the ones place. So now we're going to move into the tens place. So now I have 4 times 8, or 4 times 2 is 8. Sorry. 4 times 9 is 36. And then I'm going to add all of those up. So I have 6 and a 0 makes 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. Got to put my 1 up. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3. So my answer is 3,956. And remember, this is the old school way. So now I'm going to show you how to do the area model. So I'm going to break my numbers apart using the square. I have 2 numbers and 2 numbers, so I need 4 boxes total. Then we're going to decompose them using expanded forms. So 92 is 90 in the tens. And we put, remember we did those signs, and a 2. 43 is 40 and 3. Now the most important part about this area model is that you have to remember there's zeros in. So before we learned to take the zeros out. So 9 times 4 is 36. But I have 1 0 here and 1 0 there. So I need to add in 2 zeros. Do you remember doing that? I hope so. Now we have 90 times 3 is 27. But again, I have a 0, so I have to add a 0 in. There's no 0 in 3, so that's why there's not 2 zeros. Now I'm going to do 40 times 2. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. And I have 1 0 again. And then 3 times 2, there are no zeros, so I have no zeros to add. That's 6. Then you're going to, let's see if I can do this writing with my mouse. You're going to write all your numbers in your boxes. And remember, I like to go biggest to smallest because it helps it line it up nice and neat. So 3,600, 270, we got 80, and we have 6. Not too bad for writing with my mouse. 0, 0, 0, and a 6 is only 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. Put my 1 up. We have 5 or 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have a 3. So, as you can see, I used area model and old school, and we got the same exact answer for both of them. We have 3,956 for both. So, go ahead and try the practice problems. And don't forget to show me what you did on your Flipgrid. I really liked watching those.